Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to be talking about another alternative for you to be able to properly sell your PLR. And this is going to be a little more sophisticated, but for some of you who are willing to put in a little work, this is going to really work. Now what you're looking at right now is the site Chupa Mobile. And what it is, it's actually it's a code library for mobile apps. And so if your PLR has anything to do with mobile or mobile apps, this will allow you to develop a mobile app, and it will allow you to then customize it to the PLR or customize your PLR to the mobile app that you're creating. So in effect, what you're going to be doing in this strategy is you are going to be selling not only the PLR, but you're going to be selling software to make it easy. Now, if you followed anything that I've said in the past, one of the things that you know that I've said is that you want to make sure that if you're going to sell PLR, you make sure that you sell as an upsell, not necessarily more content, but you want to make sure that you sell a done-for-you application, something that helps people to actually sell or actually get started with the information that they're getting. And one of the ways you can do that is you can actually buy code, software code, from some place like Chupa Mobile, where they can actually start to implement on their mobile application. So Chupa Mobile. Now another way to do that, of course, is to have a software developed, and you can do that at a site called BenPress, right? And you're looking at BenPress, and BenPress is another code library, right? And so what you're going to do is you'll go in and you'll put in, let's say if you're doing something on LinkedIn, you can put in LinkedIn to see what's available on LinkedIn in terms of a code library. And you see there's something available there. There's probably more available for Facebook, but again, I think you understand what you're doing is you're trying to determine how you can help your customer to implement what you're talking about. And one of the ways you can do that is to give them a software application. You can do that at BenPress. There's another site called Hot Scripts. Okay, pretty much the same thing. You're going to be able to buy software applications. Now again, if you do this, you're probably going to have somebody develop the software and to put together a simple application. But again, if you have access or you're willing to work with or partner with someone who's going to be willing to do this, this is going to give you a lot more value that you can add to your PLR. Another site where you can do that is called CodeGrape. Okay, CodeGrape has scripts and themes. Okay, probably WordPress templates. And again, what you're really doing is you're adding value to your PLR and you're recustomizing. You really are redoing it and giving it something more than what it had before. Another site is called Code Clerks. Okay, pretty much the same thing. It's going to allow you to add that kind of value to your PLR by giving you, again, a place where you can customize and develop new software with probably the guts that are already there. So you're not doing the hard part. Programmers have already done the hard part. They put the code together. They put the underlying code. Now what you're doing is you're buying the base model, and you're going to have somebody then to kind of program it to put together an interface and to make it something that your customers really will want. And then the final site we'll show you is called Code Canyon, which you've probably heard of. Okay, Code Canyon has the largest library, and again, what you're doing is you're really customizing your PLR and your software around what it is that you are doing with your content. So then again, that's another way for you to be able to monetize your PLR, is to really create and recreate what is totally a new piece of software as well as a new product when you add in the content that you'll have with it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.